Making suggestions. Tom's Magic English. I'm bored. Let's see what's on TV. I'm bored. Let's play a game. I have nothing to do. How about taking a walk? I have nothing to do. How about reading a book? How boring. Why don't we go to the movies? How boring. Why don't we play cards? I'm dying of boredom. Why don't you hang out with your friends? I'm dying of boredom. Why don't you help me in the kitchen? How dull. Shall we go for a bike ride? How dull. Shall we do some puzzles? I'm bored to tears. Do you want to have a picnic? I'm bored to tears. Do you want to go shopping? I don't know what to do with myself. Would you like to do some DIY? I don't know what to do with myself. Would you like to do some sports? What a bore. Why not listen to some music? What a bore. Why not study English?